Hello, you fools. Now, today I'm going to be playing a game that I have not played on the channel yet. Bloons Tower Defense 6 costs 99 cents, but then again, it's Christmas, so I got money. Now, I've already been playing for a while. I'm sorry. Bless me. I've already been playing for a while, as you can be evidenced from my loads of monkey money in my level 40 S. So, I'm just gonna be, doing things, I guess. Have I already completed? Yeah, deflation. Yeah, screw it. Yeah, we're doing it. No, ow! Okay, so... deflation hard, maybe? I don't know, I've already done it before on different map. Maybe this map harder, I don't know. Place you there, place you there. Place thy there. Place thy thither. So you can see camo. Alright, you'll be big. You'll be middle. You'll be bottom. You know what? Yeah. You'll have the strength of 1,000 men. And, yeah. Or something. Good grief. Good Jeezums. Okay, I think we're ready to, abolish the enemy from living. Ah, that's better. You know what? Let's also get a spike factory out there. Oh, yeah, baby. Speed that bad boy up. You know, in deflation, you don't get any money, so you're basically just gonna have me commentating. I guess I can tell you how my life's been going. Pretty doo-doo, not gonna lie. But hey, I had a pretty good Christmas. You know, technically it's not supposed to have Christmas. But that's a story for another day. The thing I'm most happy about is I got Pokemon Shield for the Nintendo Switch. Now, I know what you're thinking. Pokemon Shield, but Pokemon Sword has a clearly better legendary dog. And while that may be true, which is why I got it first last year for Christmas. I got Pokemon Sword for Christmas last year. And it's on my Switch. I have the DLC too. Just haven't beat the first DLC island yet. Anyway, they added, quote-unquote, all the legendaries from all the past games. Nah. They did it just like they did in Ultra Sun, which I happen to own. They give you half the legendaries in one game and the other half in the other, and you need to trade. Wait, do you have to trade? I'm pretty sure you have to trade for certain Pokemon. Like, to get Rayquaza, you have to trade a Kyogre to your other game in order to have them both and then go into a raid battle just for having a chance of finding him. That might not be true. I don't know. But the thing is, I didn't even know they were going to have a legendary thing, so I got Sword thinking, yeah, cooler dog. But what I should have been thinking is, the second game has the cooler Pokemon, which is why when I got it, which for some reason the disc also includes the DLC, so I was just thinking to myself, wow, I could get Zekrom and Yveltal. I played Pokemon Y. Yveltal is the coolest gosh damn bird there is. And he will wreck your day. Like, his main attack is literally a death beam. He turned Ash to stone. So, like, let's be honest. Ash should have stayed dead at that point. Like, Ash finally dies and what, Pikachu's tears bring him back to life? I forgot. I haven't seen that movie in a while. Ash has been 11 for like 50 years. He needs death, Pikachu. Just let him die. Anyway, that's besides the point. Point is, Pokemon Sword may have the better dog, but Lugia is better than Ho-Ho, and Yveltal is cooler than a fucking deer. That's the moral of the story, kids. Get the electric dragon over the fire dragon. Reshiram may be cool, but Zekrom's cooler. Yeah. May not have played Black and White, but I watched my dad play Black and White too. On a computer. And that's what counts. Speaking of Pokemon, did you know you could get Zygarde and Mewtwo in Pokemon Y? I mean, it's not like there's going to be anybody playing that game now, unless you're just doing it on the emulator. I actually happen to have a 3DS emulator with Pokemon Y on my computer. Well, it's on my flash drive, but same difference. And it's actually pretty easy to get them both. Mewtwo, become Elite Four, go to Pokemon Village. There's a cave in the back with a man guarding it. If you're the Elite Champion, he's not there anymore, and you can fight Mewtwo, and he drops the stone of whichever game you're in. Yada yada yada. And then there's this cave called Terminus Cave. I kind of actually found Mewtwo by accident because it just said there was a scary monster living in Terminus Cave in the description, and I didn't even have YouTube back then when I first had the game. I was like, ooh, scary monster. I wonder if I can find it, because I had already beaten the game. I had already run into Moltres and been chasing him for the past few hours. I wasn't about to deal with that anymore. So I go into the cave. I walk around for a while. I finally get to the end. Boom! Scary lizard. And I'm like, whoa, what are you? So I catch it. And that's how I found out that Terminus Cave has a Zygarde. Yeah. I don't know why they never made a Pokemon Z game. I would have bought that. That would have been cool. Instead, I got Pokemon Moon and Pokemon Ultra Sun. But hey, I own Pokemon Sword and Shield. Oh god, don't! Balloons! No! Stop! Stop! Okay. Try that another day. I'm also going to be uploading a second video today where I'm going to be playing, what am I going to be playing? Among Us. Sure. Shit, I can't afford that. I'm gonna get to round 10 and end it, I think. You know, this game is pretty cool. You know, it's just... yeah. Actually, yeah, I'll do that. This game is cool. It's just like... there's not much. Like, I suppose they did make the battles version, which has more sustenance since you get to fight people and send balloons to them, which, like, that's pretty cool. And this is cool too. It's just like, it's just the stages. And like, once you've beaten the stages, it's just kind of, that's it. Well, I'm sure stages all have different modes, but once you've beaten all the modes, that's it. You did it. You beat the game. Congratulations. Or something. They're supposed to be adding new content. But, like, I don't know, man. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. All I know is I stand for Sniper Monkey. Sniper Monkey is the god of this universe. I already have him maxed out. I also have Dart Monkey maxed out. And I'm one upgrade away from maxing out Tack Shooter. Wait, no, I'm not. I have Tack Shooter maxed out, too. So the reason Sniper Monkey is good is because not only can he kill camo balloons, he can also unlock an upgrade to kill metal balloons and ceramic balloons. And if you unlock the fast firing, which you should, then he basically becomes an unstoppable god. Think about it. He can kill camo balloons while shooting like a Gatling gun monkey that actually does something. It's a good man. Way better than the original Sniper Monkey. Like, you could upgrade it. It was just kind of expensive and not very good back then. in Bloons 5. Although I will say sandbox mode in Jesus Christ. In Bloons 5 is really good. Created the ultimate sniper monkey. He is on the stump. Nowhere is left out of his sight. And as soon as he can see the gods with his night vision goggles, which is right now, he's now the most unstoppable monkey on this earth. Well, what do you guys think is the most powerful monkey? I personally think it's either Sniper Monkey or the Dart Monkey, or maybe even the Plane Monkey. Because Dart Monkey can become 3 different overpowered things, including a Super Monkey fan, which is pretty overpowered. Almost as powerful as the Super Monkey himself if he didn't become a literal sun temple that could get to like level 300 on its own. Yeah, maybe that's why he's so powerful. Anyway. Yeah. Just, like, if you're ever having trouble with the stage, or if you're trying to get to, like, level 100, you can get... I've gotten to level 93 with just Sniper Monkey. Well, not just Sniper Monkey, but Sniper Monkey was so powerful, I wasn't even seeing the balloons on the map anymore. They were keeping them beyond the border. And then, like, the second wave of those black balloons come out, and it's just like, you can't, yeah. I don't have everything upgraded. I have not upgraded my purple class very much. I guess it's my magical. Maybe. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm just here for the show. Now I have speedy monkeys of death. You see? They're not even coming on screen anymore. This is the power of Sniper Monkey. They're overwhelming us with numbers. Shrapnel shot, quick. Destroy them all in a single area. Extra range. Yes. You should always start with an explosive, because you're just going to be upgrading your monkeys and forgetting about everything, and then boom, lead balloons come out. Now, obviously, as soon as they come out, you're going to be like, oh yeah, I can't kill those, and spawn a monkey, but, you know, that's wasting valuable, life force, just because you forgot about, lead balloons. Or is that just me? It's just me as the stupid memory? And then, that's nah. Oh, here's the camo balloon round, but oh, do you see any camo balloons? I don't see any camo balloons. It's because my monkeys shot them all before they even appeared. I am going to kill all of the balloon! Time to create the second most powerful monkey. Second only to his more powerful forms. Look at him as he deletes them from this universe. And because he's on top of the tree trunk, he doesn't have any vision blocks. Like this monkey, you know, that little red line, he can't see over it, but this monkey has no red lines. With the Sniper Monkey, usually it shows you like a wide barrage of what he can and can't see. This monkey sees all. Except for a lead balloon. Here. Stupid lead balloon! Yeah, honestly, like, if you're on easy mode, just start with Striker Jones. Like, he'll keep them off your back for the first 30 waves or so. And then after that, you know, you probably have fully upgraded Dart Monkeys. Or at least I do. More fully automatic! Good luck. You're not gonna see a speck of me. Oh no, a Moab. Whatever shall I do? Oh, it appears it is dead. Already dead. You know what? Let's just get some heavy bombs out here, man. You know. Upgrade my little bomb bee. You know, let's throw another bomb tower up. You know, maybe we'll have a missile launcher. Ooh, maybe we'll have a Moab wall or a Moab mauler. Maybe even a Moab assassin. Either way, bomb tower is good. Like, it's not bad. It's just I don't know. Maybe it's because I haven't had them fully upgraded yet. I just don't know what it is. You know what, monkey in the corner? I would give you a semi-automatic, but full auto rifle for the powerful monkey. Oh, elite defender. There it is. The god of this world. The elite defender. Let's see if I can save for elite defender just so I can show you what I'm talking about. Oh, hang on, I gotta upgrade my bomb tower. You know what? Moab Eliminator. Now I just need Balloon Crush. Whatever that means. How much money do I need? 14,000. Of course, literally, I wasn't seizing at all. The second I start recording, I feel like I'm gonna die because the amount of stuff that's in my throat. Well, okay. Alright, so we upgraded our bomb tower. Time to save for the god of the monkeys. You know, wouldn't that be King Kong? Is King Kong the Monkey King? Because, like, he's the biggest monkey. Well, I mean, he's an ape. The difference between monkey and ape? Ape don't have tail. Monkey have tail. But does that mean that monkey and ape can't rule under same person? Does that mean that they do not worship King Kong? Or maybe it's just like their version of Bambi since he dies at the end. And Bambi's mom dies in the beginning. I don't know. Maybe. Just got some intellectual questions here as I absolutely destroy another Moab. You know, I know the Moab is the blue one and the Zomg is the big one. But what's the red one and the purple one? I don't even know what the black one is. I do know the purple one is purple. Alright. Elite Defender, boys! Ooh, it's a minigun of a sniper rifle. I have it on fast mode. Let's turn it off of fast mode. Whoa. Oh my god, his rifle barrel! It's over 9,000! Anyway. You know, they made level 5 things so strong that you can only have one each class. So, Sniper Monkey, there's 3 different level 5s. You can only have one of each. So I have the bottom class, which is obviously the most powerful since he has, you know, god tier amounts of firepower. Yeah. You see? Could go to level 5. Nope, max upgrades. Full auto rifle. Not that it matters, because full auto rifle is actually pretty powerful too. It's just elite defender is crazy. Can you pop lead? Can you pop camo? How about camo lead? Just so happens that I have a bomb shooter that destroys that. And, well, wouldn't you know it? Insta-kill. Well, this video has been dragging on. Have fun, everybody. Remember, I don't actually have a catchphrase.